Garnish with lemon, adding flavor and style to your dishes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a flavorful phrase in the English language, garnish with lemon. This phrase is not only about cooking but also enriches our understanding of English. Whether you're a food lover or language enthusiast, you're going to enjoy exploring this tasty topic. Let's zest up our language skills. Garnishing is a culinary term meaning adding a small amount of food to a dish for decoration or added flavor. When we say, garnish with lemon, it specifically refers to adding lemon slices, wedges, or zest to a dish. This can be for aesthetic reasons, making the dish more appealing, or for adding a subtle lemon flavor. It's a simple action that greatly enhances the appeal and taste of a meal. Garnishes like lemon play a crucial role in cooking. They're not just decorative but also contribute to the overall sensory experience of a meal. The addition of lemon can brighten up flavors, add a fresh aroma, and provide a visual appeal. It's interesting to see how a small element can make a big difference in both presentation and taste. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life contexts. In recipes, serve the grilled salmon and garnish with lemon wedges. In restaurants, a chef might tell their staff, don't forget to garnish the fish with lemon before serving. In everyday conversation, I love how the lemon garnish adds a zesty flavor to this drink. This phrase also reflects cultural aspects of dining and hospitality. In many cultures, attention to detail in food presentation is a sign of care and respect for the diners. Linguistically, it's a great example of how language and culture intertwine, especially in expressions related to food and dining. I hope you found this journey through the phrase, garnish with lemon, both informative and appetizing. It's amazing how language and food come together to create such vivid expressions. Keep exploring and enjoying the rich flavors of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.